Pro tip, home improvement or repair vendors.
Did you know that we realtors can be a great source for vendors if you need to do little projects around your house? Chances are we've worked with amazing ones ourselves personally, right, Ro?
Absolutely. And many times we have to make referrals for vendors for our clients. And so we've referred roofers, electrical, plumbing, windows, right? Fix seals on windows, put in new skylights.
Locksmiths, radon remediation.
Absolutely. Even refinishing floors or putting in new floors.
Right.
Carpeting.
Painters.
Yeah, painters. Yeah.
Right.
So if you should need a vendor and don't know where to turn, give us a call. We're happy to help you find one.
We are the McLaughlin Summer Team with Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn.